Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is all about finding the derivatives, higher order derivatives. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section, and finally, please do not skip the ads in this video. Thank you very much. And now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about higher order derivatives. Higher order derivatives, a function of f produces a new function derivative of f when we take the derivative. At the same time, a new function derivative of f, or read as the f double prime, is to be produces when we take the derivative of f prime. The process of getting the derivative until the function reaches the value of 0 is actually the process of getting the higher order derivative until such time na makuha natin yung 0. Okay, so let's have an example. This one, if y is equal to 3x raised to 5 minus 2x, find the y for prime. Apat, no? So let's start with the first prime. So for the first prime, we have y prime equals 5 times 3 is 15, x, this is 5, so 5 minus 1 is 4, minus 2. The derivative of 2x is 2 because using identity rule. Now, for the double prime, we have 15 times 4, and that's equal to 60, x cubed, minus, 0 na siya, no? So 0. Okay, next is triple prime. 3 times 60 is 180. 180 x, 3 minus 1 is 2. And for the double prime, 4 prime, we have 180 times 2, and that's 360. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have the 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 4 prime for y is equal to 360x using the function 3x raised to 5 minus 2x. Another example. So in this portion, as you can see, we have y5 prime using this equation. Okay, so first let's have the first prime, which is 2 times 4 is 8x cubed, minus 3 times 3 is 9x squared, plus identity rule 2, constant rule 0. Next, double prime, we have 8 times 3 is 24, x 2 minus 1 is 2, and minus 18x, then constant rule. Then triple prime, we have, this is 24 times 2 is, I think that's 48 x, and using identity rule, that's negative 18. And then 4 prime, we have 48 using identity rule, and this is constant rule, so 0. And finally, the fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth prime, so we have 48 constant rule, that's 0. Okay, so the fifth prime for y of the function 2x raised to 4 minus 0x cubed plus 2x minus 5 is 0. Actually, may technique dyan para malaman ko agad kung 0 yung answer ko, kasi since the highest degree is 4 and I'm talking about 5, so hindi siya aabot ng hanggang 5. Okay? So, meaning, our answer is 0 na. Aabot siya ng 0. Unlike this one kasi, sa first example natin, 5 ang degree natin, pero ang ano natin is 4. So, ibig sabihin, may matitira pa siyang 1. Okay? So, yun ang technique. Kung malalaman mo na 0 yung makukuha mo, hindi. Okay. So, dito tayo sa next one. Pwedeng mag-multiplication, product rule tayo dito, or pwedeng i-simplify na muna natin siya bago tayo mag-solve. Okay, so that is 3x squared, negative 10, negative 2x plus 15x. That is positive 13x. And then we need to find the triple prime. Okay, obviously 0 ang makukuha natin because mas mataas ito. Ang ating degree is 2 lamang. And then 3 yung ano niya. Pero of course, we need to solve to find the higher order derivatives. So we have 6x plus 13. And then constant rule, this is 0. Then double derivative, double prime, we have 6. This is 0. And then triple prime, this is 0. Okay. Therefore, the higher order derivatives using triple prime is equal to 0 from the function quantity 3x minus 2 times quantity x plus 5. Okay, number 4. I'm looking about the fifth prime. And obviously, we have 6 here. So, ibig sabihin may answer pa rin tayo dito. We still have an answer here. But I don't know what's the answer. So, let's try to find out. Okay. So, let's have my pen. Alright, let's have the first prime. That is 6x minus 5x. This is 5 and this is 4. Plus 4x cubed. I hope hindi na kayo nalilito in terms of this. This is just a power rule, no? So, madali lang siya. Double prime, we have 6 times 5, that's 30x 4, that's 5 minus 1, minus 20x cubed plus 12x squared. Next is triple prime. That's 120x cubed minus 60x squared plus 24x. 4 prime. That is 120 times 3. That's 360, right? 360x squared. Minus 120 and then this is constant, so identity pa rin pala siya, sorry. So yan, 24. Last, fifth prime equals 360 times 2, that's 720, right? 720 ba? And then x, may matitira pang isang x. Minus 120. Identity rule. Constant rule, 0 ang answer natin dyan. So our final answer for the fifth prime of the function x raised to 6 minus x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4 is equal to 720x minus 120. So, ganun lang kadali ang pagkuha ng higher order derivatives. So, that's all about finding the derivatives using higher order derivatives. With that, thank you very much for your listening.